Wagwan everybody, this is a broadcast Jamaican with one next what the government a say. Prime Minister Andrew Holness said the quarantine where they go on in a Sandy Bay, Clarendon, and Bamboo River and Church Corner in a St. Thomas are go on till September 2. On top of that, from today, St. Thomas get one new curfew time, and it'll go run from 7 o'clock at night to 5 o'clock in the morning. For the next 2 weeks, no funeral can keep and no church in a St. Thomas, but people can bury but no more 15 somebody can there at the one place. Wedding, party and public ceremony are go get cut too. Mr. Holness when I talk our media something yesterday. On top of that, some Kingston and St. Andrew community are get watch. The Ministry of Health are look on them community in a Kingston and St. Andrew for COVID-19. Duane Park, Patrick Gardens, Pembroke Hall, Corville Gardens, New Haven, the Alpha Tree area, Uenden, Arlene Gardens, Mullines Gardens, Zadie and State Gardens, Constant Spring, Barbican, Meadowbrook, Averdale, Delacree Park, Olympic Gardens, and Waltham Gardens. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton, who been attack at the media something too, so the problem with them I have with the case them in a them community there, as the people were never in a quarantine or go hospital and clinic with sign of the sickness. Them do test and find out say them got COVID-19, but them can't link them people here to nobody who got COVID-19 already. That's a broadcast Jamaican with one next what the government a say.